Hi guys, this is John here. Now in this session, we will look at the practical aspects of Entrepreneurship in terms of the website development cost and the maintenance cost. Now in the previous session, I had explained the theory behind the importance of having a website and what we mean by a website maintenance cost. So now based on our research, to build this website will cost us approximately 1 lakh rupees. How did we find out? We spoke to a few web development companies. And how did we find those web development companies? We just Googled them. And on Google, we just went ahead and searched for web development companies. And so we searched for a web development company in Mumbai and we found a few of them. And we spoke to them and we asked them what it would take to build a website like this. And they said that it would cost us 1 lakh rupees. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that information. So 1 lakh is basically 100,000. So that would be the cost. And then we also asked them what would be the monthly maintenance cost for our website. So they said approximately it will be 1,000 rupees a month or 1%. Some of them charge 1.5% as I told you. So depending on the company, their charges will vary. So they said our monthly maintenance cost is 1,000 rupees. Please remember this is a monthly cost which will get multiplied by 12 times. And I have explained that theory to you. So this is the monthly cost that we have specified. So what have we done till now? We have specified the web development cost by speaking to web development companies and the website maintenance costs. Now guys, if you all are doing a simulation on Entrepreneurship, you have an option of speaking to these web development companies. However, you can also just assume some values to complete this process and look at the impact that this cost, that is the web development cost and the website maintenance cost will have on your total cost and the profit and loss of the company. So please look at that carefully. Now, what have we understood here? On Entrepreneurship, for your company, which is Enabler, how do we enter the website development cost and the web maintenance cost? Okay, guys. Now, in the next section, we will quickly look at salaries for your core team members. Core team members are the people who are starting the company. Okay. In case you want to do that, I will come to that. And then we will look at the important aspect of sales and marketing. Okay, guys. So I hope this section was clear for you all. I will see you guys in the next section. Thank you.